Go to the Sketch tab and select to create a sketch on the front plane. Next, select Tools, Sketch Tools, and Sketch Picture. Then choose a file and open it, and then select Low Resolution. Resize the image, and then confirm and exit the sketch. Select the Sketch tab and create a sketch on the front plane. Select the spline tool and begin to trace the frame. When you're finished using the spline tool, select Confirm. Next, select Offset Entities, and then select the spline you just drew. Set the distance to 0.10 inches and confirm. Select the spline tool again, then trace the frame details. Once you're finished with the spline tool, select Confirm. Select the Fillet tool and add fillets into the frame details. Set the distance to 0.05 inches and confirm. Select the center line and draw a line at the center of the frame and then confirm. Select the spline tool again and trace the remaining frame details. Once you have finished tracing the frame details, select Confirm. Select the offset line and set it for construction, and then select Confirm. Select the spline tool and trace over the offset construction line. Next, select Trim Entities, select Trim to Closest, and then trim away any extra lines. Hide the reference image to get a clearer view of your sketch. Select Mirror Entities. For entities to mirror, highlight your entire frame. For Mirror About, select the center line, and then Confirm. Hold down Shift and select the two splines that connect at the center of the nose bridge. Add a tangent relation to those two lines to smooth out where they connect. Then confirm and exit the sketch. Select Surface tab and then Filled Surface. Then select the frame sketch, select Fix Up Boundary, and confirm. Select the Surface tab and then select to thicken. Select the frame, and then for the thickness, select Side 1 and set the distance to 0.125 inches and confirm. Select the Surface tab, then select Reference Geometry, Plane. For the first reference, select the front surface of the frame. For the distance, type 0.0625 inches, select to flip the offset, and then confirm. Next, select the Sketch tab, select Sketch, and then select to sketch on plane 1. Select Convert Entities, and then select the interior contour line of the frame where the lens would be. Then confirm and exit the sketch. Select the Surface tab and then select Filled Surface. Select that interior contour line of the frame, select to fix up the boundary and confirm. Next, select the Surface tab, select Thicken, select the lens, set the thickness to both sides, and set the distance to 0.03125 inches. Deselect Merge Result and then confirm. Select the Surface tab and then select Reference Geometry and select Plane. For the first reference, select the top front nose bridge point on the frame. For the second reference, select the top back nose bridge point. And then for the third reference, select the bottom front nose bridge point and confirm. Select the Features tab and then select Mirror. For the mirror plane, select the center plane. For bodies to mirror, select the right lens. Then deselect Merge and confirm. Go to Insert, Features, Flex. Select the frame and both lenses. Select Bending, and then set the angle of degree to 20 degrees and confirm. Go to Insert, Features, Dome. Select the front of the left lens and set the distance to 0.10 inches and confirm. Next, right mouse click and select Recent Commands and then select Dome. This is a faster way to get to the tools that you've used previously. Select the front of the right lens and set the distance to 0.10 inches and confirm. Right mouse click, select Recent Commands and then select Dome, and then select the back left lens. Set the distance to 0.10 inches and then reverse the direction and confirm. Right mouse click again, select Recent Commands and then select Dome again, then select the back of the right lens. Set the distance to 0.10 inches, select to reverse the direction, and then confirm. Select the Features tab and then select Fillet. Select the edges that you wish to fillet. The distances will vary depending on the edge length and the surface depths. Once you have filleted all of the edges, select Confirm. Repeat the fillets until you've reached the desired outcome.